Welcome to Fundu Money web series on tax filing. In this particular series, we are discussing various things people need to keep in mind when filing for taxes. In this segment, we'll be discussing the various things one needs to keep in mind if a person has actually made some money while selling shares last year. Now, when we're talking about selling shares, in this particular segment, we're going to restrict ourselves to shares of listed companies, which is basically shares which are bought and sold on stock exchange. The good news is that with me is tax expert Swami Saran Sharma. Welcome, Swami. Swami, a person was had a great time last year, sold shares, made money. Shares listed on stock exchange. Now the time has come to report this whole thing to the tax authorities. Now, what are the things he or she needs to keep in mind while filing for taxes, and are there some tax deductions available?
As you mentioned, if the shares are listed and they are transacted on the stock exchanges, in that case, if the shares were held by the SECI for more than a year, there is no taxation at all. It is fully exempt from income tax. But in case the period of 1 year holding is not complied, say one holds it for 3 months and sells, then it is subject to short-term capital gain, which is 15% flat taxation.
Wonderful information. So I think what the tax authorities are trying to do is, with this kind of a tax structure, they're trying to ensure that people hold on to their shares for some time, which actually is a smart thing, because the longer you hold, typically you have a basket of shares, you start making money. Great information, Swami. If people want to have more information about tax filing, they can follow this web series on our various social media platforms, and also on our website www.fundumoney.com.